In a bustling Saudi Arabian town, where the scent of fresh dates and cardamom filled the air, lived three best friends, Sami, Aisha, and Noura. They loved playing in the souk market, running through the narrow streets, and sharing stories under the date palms. One day, as they sat near the majestic Al-Mazmak fort, Aisha had an idea. "We always eat delicious food at our family gatherings," she said. "But what if we created a recipe for the best friendship ever?" Sami's eyes lit up. "That's a brilliant idea. A recipe for the strongest friendship. But where do we start?" Noura asked, tilting her head. "Let's go on a quest through the souk," Sami declared. "Maybe the market will help us find the perfect ingredients." And with that, their friendship adventure began. Ingredient number 1. A spoonful of kindness. The first stop was an old spice shop, where the owner, Uncle Faisal, was carefully grinding cinnamon. "Uncle Faisal," Aisha asked, "we're making a friendship recipe. What ingredient do you think we need?" The old man smiled. Friendship is like a cup of Arabic coffee, it needs a spoonful of kindness." He handed them a small pouch of saffron, the golden spice that made qahwa, Saudi coffee, special. "Kindness makes everything sweeter," he said with a wink. The friends nodded, carefully placing the saffron in their basket. Ingredient number 2. A dash of trust. Next, they stopped at a bakery, where warm khubz, flatbread, was baking in the oven. The baker, Auntie Layla, greeted them. "What brings you here, little ones?" "We need the perfect ingredients for friendship," Noura explained. Auntie Layla thought for a moment, then handed them a pinch of salt. "A good friendship, like good bread, needs trust. Just like salt blends into dough and makes it strong, trust holds friends together." The children smiled, adding the salt to their basket. Ingredient number 3. A handful of laughter. Their next stop was the fruit stall, where a young vendor named Omar was selling juicy Saudi dates. "What's a friendship recipe without laughter?" he said, tossing them a handful of dates. "Laughter is like dates in our desserts, it makes everything richer and more joyful." The friends giggled, remembering all the times they had laughed so hard their stomachs hurt. Into the basket went the dates. Ingredient number 4. A cup of patience. Finally, they visited an old storyteller sitting on a colorful rug near the souk's entrance. "Wise grandfather," Sami said, "we are on a quest to make the best friendship recipe. What ingredient should we add?" The old man chuckled. "Friendship, my dear children, needs patience, just like a slow-cooked kabsa, Saudi spiced rice dish." He handed them a small jar of cardamom. "Patience makes a friendship strong, even when times are hard." The children nodded, understanding that sometimes friends disagreed, but patience kept them together. Mixing the recipe for friendship. With their basket full of special ingredients, the three friends hurried to Aisha's house. Her grandmother helped them grind, mix, and stir the spices into a warm, fragrant cup of qahwa. They sat together, sipping the golden drink, feeling its warmth spread through them, just like kindness, trust, laughter, and patience had kept their friendship strong. "This," Sami said with a big smile, "is the best recipe ever." And from that day on, whenever they had a disagreement or a tough day, they remembered their special friendship recipe, a reminder that true friends, just like the finest dishes, are made with care, love, and the perfect blend of ingredients. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.